What did you think when you first found out you were a suspect?
Well, the moment the video showed, I just felt like everyone's eyes were on me. It's just suspecting me immediately, and I don't know, maybe some hurt, some resentment, some pride, I don't know. I mean, I'm sad that they would not trust me enough to be responsible with the monkey, but also honored that they would think that I was smart enough to come up with this kind of plan.
I don't answer any questions without my lawyer present. No, I'm just kidding. Too many SVU episodes. This is really intimidating, though. I don't know. I don't think I have a reason to be a suspect. What else you got?
Oh man, I don't even know what to think about that, but the first time I had an encounter with this monkey, I just thought it was demon possessed. It smelled like death, and every time it opened its mouth to do that little baby cooing, it was like piercing my soul. It was disgusting. Disgusting and demonic.
Wait, suspect for what? Did something happen? Wait, is someone hurt? What happened? I don't think it was me. What happened? I don't know. I'm just so confused.
What did you think of Neil pieing Ashley in the face?
I thought she deserved it. She deserved it. That was a desperate measure that she took. That was desperate. And justice was served.
It was well done. I was a little jealous that I didn't think of it myself. I'm really glad that he did it.
I definitely think the demon and that monkey got into Ashley somehow. And that's why they were so close at first. That's why she felt so attached to it. And the demon just put her up to it. And then Neil, being the good agent of the Lord that he is, stopped it from happening. And that's what was so great about that moment, was that the Lord conquered that demon in that time. Definitely, yeah. Praise him.
I don't know. I was just sitting there. I just saw pie. And I just thought it looked like a good pie. I just kind of wanted a piece of it. But I don't know. He just shoved it in her face. I just wanted a piece of pie. That's all I wanted.
So who do you think it is?
Here's my theory, actually. I think it was the monkey. Because who would want to live in captivity with all these girls? I think the monkey staged the whole thing and ran away itself. Because who would want to be here? Who would want to be with that? Wait, that's terrible.
You know, I've seen Ian just like creeping around the mic eyes. Just looking really creepy and suspicious like he does. And come to think of it, he's always eating one of those popsicle things. Like crunching. I just hear him crunching from like across the pool. What's up with that?
Man, I don't even know, but whoever it is must be someone really, really holy. Someone really, really holy. Like Ian Klavica. He is definitely an agent of the Lord, always doing his will, always doing his work. So I definitely think it's someone holy like Ian.
Wait, monkey? There's a monkey? It's been a monkey here? Why isn't like a real monkey? At the zoo monkey? Why haven't I seen this thing? I wanna go pet the monkey. I want a monkey.
think she has any idea it's us?
There's no way she knows.